Hello, how'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time to do everything you said you would. Frames of the past and the memory of you just come running by. Pictures of sunny days with your smile in the bar. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come?
Hi ladies, today we are continuing with our spring cleaning. So we did part of the kitchen last week and today I am tackling this cabinet in my basement, which has still quite a bit of clutter. You're gonna see I got rid of quite a bit of things from there, even though I have organized it not that long ago. But I think this is one of the places where I was still holding on to some of the things. I was not ready to let them go. And today was the day when I finally did. So that's one of the projects. Another one is going to be organizing a pantry that's next to it, just getting some of the things that I have bought put away. And I will be also tackling my master closet. I'm gonna go through all the clothes that I have in there and basically get rid of anything I'm no longer wearing. And my master closet is also one of those places where I did go through my clothes not that long ago. So I honestly didn't think I was gonna get rid of as many things as I did, but I don't know what came over me. We're gonna talk about it later on in the video, but I definitely did some good decluttering in both of those spaces. So this cabinet over here, if you are new to my channel, this is in my basement. I have an overflow pantry and I have added this cabinet for things like, serving dishes, things that I don't use as often. And what I found in this box is a lot of paper plates, paper utensils, and a ton of different kinds of napkins and leftover plates from different birthday parties. Just a lot of random things that I just kept because they were left over from the party, and I just got rid of most of them. I left the plates I know we're gonna use during summertime, when we have company over, when we're grilling something outside. But for the most part, few plates that are blue and few that are pink or some other random color I needed for the party, I got rid of it all because it was honestly cluttering that cabinet, and it was time to finally let that go. So let me know if you have the same problem with little dessert plates, something that, I don't know why I kept it, but I did. So it was taking up a lot of the space in that cabinet for me. And the other things you see in there are just different big serving plates, serving bowls. And they were kind of all either different colors or something I honestly have not used in a really, really long time. So I just wanted to make sure I'm very intentional with what I am keeping. Some of the things were broken. It was really time to go through that. I think last time when I was organizing here, I know I am hosting, family during Christmas time. So I left it in there just because I wanted to see if I'm gonna use it. And now that obviously the holidays are long over, I wanted to go through this during the spring cleaning and just make sure that I'm only keeping the things that I am actually going to use. And my plan is also to get a couple of the serving dishes, but I want to make sure that they are just white. That way I can use it for any occasion and I don't have to color coordinate with anything else because white will go with everything. So let me know if you have serving dishes for that you take out when your company is over. What color do you use? Do you have it in one color or do you like a variety of colors? Let me know.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark.
And let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Marta. I am a full-time working mom. Me and my husband have a 10-year-old and a 7-year-old. And on my channel, you see a lot of videos about decluttering, organizing, cleaning, just like household management from a perspective of a working mom. So if you are new here, definitely I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. And if you are coming back, welcome back. I am so happy that you are here and thank you for your support. For those of you who have been here for a while, you know how this basement looked like 2 years ago. It was so bad that you could barely walk through it. So this is a huge improvement. As you can see, I did get rid of a lot of things. And even though it seemed like it's full, I got rid of everything that was in 2 bins. So it's definitely downsizing quite a bit over there. So I was definitely happy with that result. And I talked about it before with decluttering. For me, it is getting so much easier and so much quicker the more I do it. So the first time when I was decluttering my basement, that basement took me, I think it was like 6 days. Not in a row. I did it over a few months, I think. But it was like a few hours each session where I had to go there and really clean up the space. And at this point, I am very close to like a maintenance where I just, as I go, as I get like right here, I'm getting new grocery order and I need to put it away, so it takes me only a few minutes to kind of organize it a little bit and put it away. So I'm getting to a point when it's so much easier for me from the organization perspective. I get into this rhythm where I know the routine, I can put it on the side and I can organize it. But it's also getting easier with decluttering as well because I don't buy as many things. And also when it comes to like decluttering, like I just did that cabinet, things I was not ready to get rid of even 6 months ago. Now it's so much easier because I remember 6 months ago when I was going through that, I was not ready to part ways with some of the things because I thought I'm gonna use it, but I know I haven't used it, and it's so much easier to make that decision. Again, the more I do it, the easier it gets. So let me know if you are in the same boat.
In and out of love, never get enough. We never seem to get older. When things are going right, you seem to have the time. But when it's hard, you just grow cold up. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. Been here 1,000 times. Set up a stage of lies. Say we're done, say it's over. Shouldn't be coming back, but somehow we connect. Acting drunk even though we're sober. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires.
So as you can see, that's a lot of stuff I am getting rid of. A lot of it, like I said, is like different paper products that I am recycling. So I'm just dumping it back into that bin so it's easier to take it outside. But this is all going away. It's ridiculous how much I had and I have kept basically in that cabinet and in that bin for I don't know how long. There are some dishes that you see on the left side. Those are going to a donation center because those are like serving dishes or like bakeware that I can donate to somebody who needs it. But it is looking good. I like how it stays organized. I left that bin on the left side just for things when I'm getting something and it's not ready to, like for example flour, I'm not ready to replace it into the bin because there is still some left over. I can keep it in that bin. And then I moved on to my master bedroom. I wanted to go through all my drawers in a dresser and just get rid of anything that I didn't, I no longer wanted, I no longer wore. So I did it actually pretty quickly. Normally it takes me a good amount of time to go through my clothes. This time, I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I don't know what came over me. I was just like brutal, just getting rid of anything that I haven't worn since a few months ago. It was just going out. I also got rid of most of my socks because I was getting new ones. I don't know why I had so many, and they were all at the point where I just needed to replace them. So I quickly did that, and then I moved on to my closet. And I feel like always around springtime is when it is good time for me to go through my clothes, simply because the seasons are changing, so I can look at what I haven't worn or winter long and get rid of those things. And then for summertime I can see what I still like, what still fits me, and what's still in good condition, and get rid of anything that I no longer want. And you're gonna see I got rid of quite a bit of stuff. Again, same as in the basement, there were things in there that I kept holding on to, because maybe I'll wear it this season, maybe I'll wear it for this occasion, and I never did. So definitely things were flying out of that closet quite a bit.
Cold hand, frozen feet, raindrops falling on the street. I can't recall when I last saw the sun. Summer's just a memory, a faded piece of history. No one can remember all the fun. The late night barbecue, zipping on a gin and juice, cruising down the road, no thought getting old. The girls are hot but the beer is cold. Yeah, that's the way we roll. Bathing in the sun, on the beach having fun. Whoa, these lazy days are never done.
So let me know how often you go through your clothes. Are you good with just going through it every season? Are you really good at just, when you're wearing something, you put it on, you don't like it, then you have a special bin to put it away? Let me know how that works for you. I feel like I'm still working on a good system. I got rid of a lot of jeans, a lot of things that I have not been wearing. Some of those things just no longer fit me, and some of them I haven't worn. I had some bathrobes or some jackets or different coats, and they were just hanging in the closet for the past couple of years. I have not worn them, so there was definitely time to get rid of that. So I was extremely happy with the results. There was a lot of clothes that I get rid of because they were just so worn that either they had a stain somewhere or they were ripped somewhere. It's just something that didn't look good anymore, so I wanted to get rid of that too. So that's right now I'm just sorting things I wanted to donate and things that I just needed to go to the trash right away.
I work hard every day, don't waste my time on yesterday. I never shy away from a good time. Coming on Friday night, I see my friends and feel alright. There ain't no stopping us from having fun. There ain't no cloud in sight. The future is looking bright. Cruising down the road, no thought of getting old. Girls are hot but the beer is cold. Yeah, that's the way we roll. Bathing in the sun, on the beach
And that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you are ready for some additional cleaning and organizing next week. I still have quite a bit of things on my list that I wanted to do, but I am in no rush. It's still snowing where I live, so the spring is still coming. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.